Is Philly a gold mine? Yes,
Yes.
yes or no? I
Yes.
mean,
Yes.
I think it's a gold
Yes.
mine, but I'm from Philly,
Yes.
so everybody's like, "Oh,
Yes.
that's
Yes.
Brian's hometown." But yeah, what are your thoughts as a as an outsider? And I feel like you fell in love with certain neighborhoods too. Like you were like Germantown is like when I see that, I love it because I love Philly. I love the neighborhoods. I love that aspect of Philly. That it's like Germantown's different than West Philly, is different than South Philly.
Right.
How is that kind of for you?
Yeah, so the funny thing is, during that ride along, right? I didn't, I was like looking at different row houses and things like that. And you actually, so it's very funny. On your ride along, I think you showed us 5128 Newhall Street. And why
Yeah,
this is important is because, you know, when I saw that property and I saw the neighborhood, and I realized how much, and again, you had receipts. You basically had a spreadsheet and you laid everything out. I'm looking at the numbers. I'm like, my God, this house is going to be sold for like, I mean, this is a beautiful property. And it was basically in the framing stage. Like you framed out the bathroom, you had, and, and you basically told us about the vision. And I said, my God, there's money to be made here. And I think about a week later after that, I actually put an offer on a property right across the street, which didn't work out, but I already knew the value that was happening in that area. And the reason why I even mentioned that address is because anyone can go and look at that receipt and see, okay, it was purchased for this. Oh, and then see what it's been sold for. So, but I was there over a year ago, seeing what that looked like.
yeah,
And so what I would say is there is gold in Philly, right? You have to, obviously you got to make sure you're buying it at the right price. The team helps you with that as part of boots on the ground, and basically just try to, have people who have the experience so that you don't waste time. I think that's the value of it, of boots on the ground. You don't waste time.
yeah. No, I agree. Having that streamlined approach on the analysis because yes, it's a gold mine, but can you see the gold? Do you know where it is? And do you have the tools to mine it? And having deal analysts that know the cost of construction and the rehab crews that'll execute on it flawlessly, and some brains behind the operation that can solve permits and other issues that may pop up because it's the real estate beast. It can be managed, but it's still an animal. I mean, it's a wild animal, so there is no fully taming this real estate monster. Yeah, having all of those things allows you to go in and get to the gold without all the pain and drama or getting burned by contractors. And I mean, a million things can happen that aren't
But
too positive. Yeah.
wait, can I just add one more thing to that? There were deals where I put in an offer. I loved the house. I had a number in my mind in terms of rehab. Your team went in and basically said, "Hey, don't do it. Don't do it. It's not gold. It's coal." And I
Yeah.
said, so I had to
Yeah.
call my
Still cool.
realtor. Okay, we're gonna back out of the deal because of the inspection. So you've also saved me money, right? So
That's it.
I'm giving you credit for that as well.
I appreciate that, and that's part of it. It's part of knowing what to do. Is a lot of it's just knowing what not to do. If you just avoid the landmines, your shot of success is a lot higher. But no, it's good to see you winning. I'm glad to hear that you got a lot of value out of it, and you're definitely, you're a part of it. You're a part of those ride-alongs. You got to see even other people's journey, and it's been good to have you as a member of the program. I love working with people like you, quite frankly. People who get it, people who are positively oriented and are dialed in. I love seeing you go out to the property and interact and interface with the people. And more success to you, man. I always say the people who take that leap of faith, the game rewards them, and you're one of those people. So it's good to see you getting the reward.